In front of me is Motorola ThinkPhone 25, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password in Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to tap on Passwords, Passkeys and Accounts. Then hit Open under Google. Choose Google Password Manager and tap on any password you wanna check. Enter your screen log. Tap on this eye icon and this way make your password visible. If it's too long for you to see, hit Edit and check it out here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!